Welcome back to my backyard snack yard on a beautiful day here in Dorset, England. Spring has really sprung. It's so amazing and all the trees are budding out. And I just wanted to do a little update on one of my newest fruit trees here. This is a hybrid between a cherry and an apricot. So it's called a Cherrycot or an Aprikyra. It's so exciting. It's meant to taste a lot of cherry with a bit of apricot in it, naturally, but it's supposed to look more like a large cherry, sort of a plum-sized cherry. It's big and red and beautiful, just so exciting. So I only got it back in December, and if it was going to flower, it would have started by now. It started to push out lots of beautiful foliage. I think it should be ready to flower within the next few years. It can flower on 1- and 2-year-old wood. So I'm hoping that we'll have some fruit before too long, because I'd really like to try some. So exciting. I'm growing it in quite a large container here, and it is supposed to be semi-vigorous, so I think I might need to put it into the ground at some point, but I'm just growing it on for now just to see how it does. And also because this is a really good spot for it. This is like a semi-courtyard, so it's got walls on 3 sides. As you can see, the nice white walls, so they're really reflective. They really add a lot of warmth to this area. It's a nice little microclimate, so it is perfect for growing fruit in general. I have a grapevine growing here too, a strawberry grapevine, which is starting to bud out. This beautiful pink foliage. And then I have a dwarf Victoria plum here, which I've had for a little while. I got it back in 2024, and this is the first year it's flowered. Oh, they're so pretty. Look at these beautiful little buds. And I was thinking about moving it to another part of the garden where I have more plums. I have, I think, 4 or 5 plums in the other side of the garden, but as it's in such a great position and it's self-fertile, I'm going to leave it here. The Aprikyra or Cherrycot is also self-fertile. So this is a fig tree here. Some nice growing figs on it. It's woken up easily. But yeah, so this one's also self-fertile, which is also handy. I do have a huge cherry tree in another part of the garden, so it could always cross-pollinate with that. And I wonder if it cross-pollinates with plum trees. I would imagine it might do. But we don't need a pollination partner for it. So when I bought this, I was trying to look for some videos about it just to sort of see what it's like, and I couldn't find many. So I thought I would document how it's growing, how it's doing. This is just the first year, and we'll do one again next year, and hopefully by next year I'll have some little flowers to show, but I'm not counting on it. I think it will take a little bit longer. I imagine it would take 2 or 3 years before it starts flowering and fruiting, but we'll see. I'm going to feed it like all my other plum trees. I've given them all a bit of fish blood and bone. I like to give my fruit trees some Epsom salts too. That tends to make the fruit sweeter. This one's not going to fruit, so I don't think I need to give it. And I might also give it some worm castings. I have some vermicompost from my worm farm, which is nice to feed them with. But other than that, I'll keep it watered. It needs more water because it's in a pot. And we'll just see how it goes. So thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.